Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for Ashford University online, quick tutorial step-by-step. Visit the Ashford University website. Click on the Admissions tab located on the top menu. Select Apply Now from the drop-down menu. Fill out the online application form that appears. Enter your personal information, including your name and contact details. Provide your educational background and any prior college experience. Choose your desired degree program from the available options. Review the admission requirements specific to your selected program. Upload any necessary documents, such as transcripts or identification. Complete any additional sections of the application as prompted. Review your application for accuracy and completeness. Submit the application by clicking the designated button. Wait for a confirmation email from Ashford University regarding your application status. If accepted, follow the instructions provided in the email to complete your enrollment. Log into the student portal once you have your credentials. Begin the registration process for your courses as directed. Congratulations, you are now set to start your educational journey at Ashford University Online. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.